It's poinsettia time. They're such happy flowers. And last year I did a bunch for the holidays, but these are my first for the year. And you can vary your reds, vary your greens. Do some color mixing is always fun. And enjoy it. You can keep going. I only have a minute here, but you don't. Bugs are not the most beloved of creatures, but ladybugs tend to get a fair amount of love. Not to mention the possibility of using gorgeous, warm, red. Now this is a fun part. You can choose to wait until the paint dries and then you have control over the spot, or live dangerously like I did and do the spots over the wet paint. So the whole point of Enso circles is to be centered while you paint. Shouldn't be talking. Limes are fun to paint, but they're not as delicious as lemons. And I like some color in my lemon. Lemons have some green and some red. And I'm going to let this dry. So I'm going to do a little sprig of lavender. And I'm using my violette, which I really like. And then what I call verde, which is a green chromium oxide. And it's as simple as this and fun. I'm challenging myself to do a 1 minute nightscape using the colors in my collaborative palette called Winter Solstice, which Kateri Ewing and I created together. answer is yes, you can. I do a little swampy landscape with cattails, which are not something I grew up with except in illustrations in children's books. So they're kind of fascinating to me. You can use any kind of earth color. I use the Tuscan Earth from my palette with Kateri. And then here I'm using our Minuit, which is a light ultramarine. And you can stop right here.